they did salt this. More burnouts and dude, I really wish I could just say, wow.
Mister.
Alright, hello everyone and welcome back to another video. We're gonna go out for a cruise for a little bit. I don't really know where we're gonna go, but figured might as well just do some POV driving. So that's what we're gonna do right now. He's getting the super loud car out, the Trans Am. Hope the GoPro angle's good. I have it down a little bit more there, that might be good. I just don't want you guys staring at the ceiling the whole time. Hopefully that's good. Feels like my seat, I don't know, it's weird. My seat feels like it's too far over this way. I don't know. Alright, so we're gonna go back to the parkway where we were last time. Might have a little bit more fun this time. I don't really know. Oh, that exhaust smells so good. Gotta love that decat. Alright, there he goes. First gear. But every time I drive this car, I forget how quick it like picks up. This car is absolutely great throttle response. It moves. So yeah, I apologize, there really hasn't been much content going out on the channel. I don't really know, like I don't really have anything to post because the problem with the go-kart is what we're doing with it is a lot of it's just like testing and tuning it. And it's so wet outside right now, like the yard and the field, that we don't really have a good opportunity to test it very well yet. So we're kind of just waiting on a lot of that. But I think for the go-kart, we need to make a clutch guard soon. That's one of the first things that we need to make, just so the clutch stays dry, doesn't get a bunch of crap in it and stuff like that. I also want to make fender flares, not fender flares, yes, well, I want to make fenders for it, and I also want to put a roof on it as well. I don't know where we're going, I'm just following. But yeah, go-kart is coming along. I honestly though, I don't know when we're gonna get another video out on that thing. It's all just a matter of when the yard dries up and all that. I really don't want to cover that thing in mud because there's so many different components on it that it's just, I don't need to get everything just muddy and stuff like that. It's not worth it. So for now, we're probably going to be mostly sticking with Supra content. this car is done, so, well, until we engine swap it, which is not going to happen for a while. But this car right now is pretty much done in its almost final form. So there's really not much to do with it other than this. I can't go to car meets, car shows. I can't really take people for rides in it at all, which kind of sucks because, well, because you know why, the whole thing that's going on. But it definitely limits what I can do. So I don't really know what I'm gonna do on the channel later in the future, or not necessarily in the future, but in the upcoming weeks. We'll figure it out. But hopefully they didn't salt the parkway. Oh. Did not see that. I'm glad he did. Someone got mud everywhere. Oh, that's not good. Hopefully they didn't salt the parkway. It snowed. It's been snowing on and off here the last few days. It's been really weird. Like, it's been warm, but also snowing at the same time. So you never really know what they might do around here, but hopefully they, oh boy. Hopefully they laid off with the salt. Someone was doing a donut right here. First gear. Gotta have a little fun on those accelerations. My wheel's vibrating a little bit. It's probably not great. I bet it was. I bet after I hit all those goddamn potholes, my alignment got all screwed up. It's like, nope, don't like these New York roads. Ah, no, they did salt this. They absolutely salted this. Oh, I'm sorry, Supra. Oh, it looks like you're getting a bath when you get home, which is fine because the whole front of this car is covered in bugs anyways. That's probably why he's getting off. Yep, that's exactly why he's getting off. He's like, nope. Alright. Oh, I'm sorry, car. I didn't know that that's what... Oh, that's too bad. Oh well, it is what it is. We got to do a little pull and have some fun. We're good. Having a little fun with the Supra and the LSD. That's cool though, that limited slip diff works pretty good. Or at least it seems to. Get a little chirp. I'm gonna be so bad. Well, actually, it's probably a good thing this car doesn't really... It's not that it doesn't have enough power to do a burnout, it's that it has too much grip to do a burnout, so it's probably a good thing. Because if I was doing burnouts with this, my tires would not last very long at all. Hooning is fun. Forgot about this way. Oh. This is tight. Wait, where are we going? This just takes us back onto the parkway. Is that glass in the road? What the... So we're going back on the parkway. No, we are not. He's just not signaling. Why is the road so... That's salt. That's why. I'm sorry, car. I didn't know. Oh, there's so much. No. I'm sure he's thrilled. Oh, there's so much. Again, why are there so many people here? Holy crap. Always seems to be a lot of people here. .5? Did that sign just say the speed limit was 2.5? I know it's supposed to be 25, but I don't know why they're... Oh, maybe it was a screw hole for the sign. That might be what it was. That would make a little bit more sense than having a 2.5 mile an hour speed limit. Oh, my exhaust is filtering into my car. It smells so good with that window open. Love it. Where are we going? Social distancing games over there. Dude, what are you doing? Jesus, what? This is an exit only. Where? Okay, you can do what you're doing. Confusing. Didn't think they would salt that much.
The parkway, I know. It's freaking, I'm not surprised.
I didn't even notice it halfway till we were on there, and I was like, wait a minute, why can I see tire marks?
Yeah, it's 'cause it's only the parkway. The back roads they didn't salt.
Did you see on the, like, on-ramps getting over here?
Yeah.
I thought it was glass in the road at first. I was like, what?
Glass.
How much is on mine?
What?
How much is on my car?
Nothing. It's just dust. You know, it's just dust and dirt.
My steering wheel was vibrating a little bit on the parkway.
Oh, I might need to rebalance the tires. The machine I used at Cortez, I found out, is a piece of shit. So.
Oh. Little turns. The back roads are salt free. It's just the parkway and all that good stuff. Car picks up so nicely. And into fourth. Shifting into fourth on this thing is so smooth. Like, all the other gears are okay, and then shifting from third to fourth is just like butter. I probably sound so weird sitting here talking about my transmission, and yeah. Thank you for not mowing into the road. That is greatly appreciated. I always hate that. You guys are you guys ever driving around and there's people that just like cut grass right into the road? It's so frustrating. It's like, come on. And then it gets all over the car, surface gets slippery. Ooh, a little bit of the Supra tire mark maybe. That's where we did the little skid. Well, come completely half-assed one-wheel peel, but see, I can't do burnouts like that. It's not capable of doing that. I'd probably either fry my clutch or my transmission, and it's not really, or my diff, come to think. The whole drivetrain on this car needs to be replaced when I engine swap it. So that's gonna be fun. It's gonna be a full suspension, drivetrain, engine, overhaul, everything. You know, that's not the window we're gonna open up. We're gonna open up this window because it doesn't really interfere with the sound as much when we go on bigger cruises. And look at this donut pit. Like I said, guys, every freaking intersection is a donut pit. Look at that. Someone was having a good old time over here. I wish I could do that in this car, but I can't. More burnouts and dude, I really wish I could just sit. Wow. Oh, he went off the road doing that. I really wish I could watch like all these burnouts happen. That'd be so fun. There's this guy in a truck that likes doing burnouts in front of our house. It's so entertaining. It's like when you're sitting in your house for months on end and you have nothing to do, it's like one little burnout. You're like, oh my God. I was talking to my friends one day on the phone and I ran out to the window. I was like, oh my God, burnout. And they all freaked out. They're like, what are you talking about? Yeah. Burnouts are cool. I do them on my four-wheeler sometimes. Because that is all I can do a burnout in. And the go-kart. Alrighty, everybody. We are almost home, so thank you for watching this terrible POV video. I don't even know if this is going to make it online, but thank you all for watching. I hope you guys are all staying safe out there. I really appreciate all the support on the channel. So again, thank you all for watching. Support the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. And yeah, I guess I will see you guys whenever I upload next.